guilty plea, and sentencing. Defendant Mills will enter guilty pleas in federal court to offenses charged in federal indictment 23 CR 20191/MSN, and when appropriate, will also enter guilty pleas in state court to offenses charged in indictment 2300214. He will be sentenced in federal court first.
Come on, man. You did testimony out of the way.
His sentence.
See,
After federal sentencing, he will enter
the trial is up.
state court. Agreement by the state. The state of Tennessee agrees that upon fulfillment of the above conditions, it will agree to a guilty plea that provides for a state sentence that will be served concurrent. Do you know what concurrent means?
Yes.
It means at the same time. Is that right?
Yes.
That we will agree to a state sentence that will be served concurrent with and will not exceed defendant's Mills' federal sentence. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Furthermore, any period of incarceration shall be served in the Federal Bureau.
Yeah, I think they're gonna come down with. Oh look, they're gonna put him in the
So you have
in the
an
feds.
agreement in federal court.
They agreed to put him in the feds.
Is that correct?
Yes.
That's what he want.
With the federal judge to set your sentence.
I mean,
A recommendation by the United States Attorney's Office not to ask for a sentence in excess of 15 years of incarceration.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct.
But a federal judge able to sentence you all the way from supervised release to life.
Yes.
Correct.
damn.
You also have an agreement in state court. Tell the truth. And your state sentence will run at the same time as whatever federal sentence you get. Is that correct?
He's a big-headed ass nickel, bro.
That you will go to prison in a federal prison.
Jakku in the stands.
Yes.
You and I have met how many times?
Twice.
Only twice. Total amount of time we spend for each other?
They do that big.
Not an hour.
Less than, you say not an hour?
Not an hour. No.
Not an hour. So less than an hour.
Yes.
Have I told you there's two most important things?
Yes.
I tell you it was to listen to me and for me to listen to you.
Yep.
And for you to do what?
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth. You understand that the agreement that you have in federal court, that the agreement you have in state court, that what a federal judge will take into account is whether or not you tell the truth.
Yes.
Tell us where you're from, Mr. Mills.
I'm from Connecticut.
Make up your way, Lieutenant.
You were born in Connecticut?
Yes, I was born in Connecticut.
Parents from somewhere else though?
Yes.
Oh, Lord. New England in the house.
Jamaica.
Yeah,
You
Jamaica.
say Jamaica, and when you say some other words, we can hear it.
Oh, yes.
So you have a little bit of a Jamaican accent with regard to some words.
Yes, I've been told that. Yes.
Okay. Grew up in Connecticut.
Yes.
Did you go to high school?
Yes, I did.
Did you graduate high school?
Yes, I did.
All right. In Connecticut?
Yes.
All right. What did you do after that?
I went to college.
Where did you go to college?
I went to college at West Virginia State University.
What did you do in college?
I
What university?
played football and I graduated.
I can't remember.
Good.
I run
What
you
did
back.
you do after that?
And then I started my career in law enforcement. I was a correction officer first. I was a correctional officer first, and then for about 3 years, and then so I moved to Tennessee. I did corrections for about 2 years before I joined MPD.
What brought you to Tennessee?
Corrections at first. I was chasing a career in corrections, and then I switched to police officer.
When you came to Tennessee, did you bring your family with you, or?
I got married, and then we started our family in Tennessee.
Do you have children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
3,
How old are they?
7, 5, 4.
Boys and girls?
2 girls, 1 boy.